right and left hemisphere, cerebral hemisphere. We will see important differences between the right and left hemisphere, because this is a very important question for your terminal examination. So let's start. I am here, this side your left hemisphere and this side your right hemisphere. Okay, and you can increase your speed up to 1.5x to save your time. Now the first difference, the left hemisphere is also known as your categorical hemisphere. This is known as categorical hemisphere, whereas right hemisphere is known as your representational hemisphere. This is a name based difference. Now the important point about it that the left hemisphere has your larger and thicker temporal and occipital lobe. Okay, temporal and occipital lobe is thicker and larger in left hemisphere, whereas frontal lobe is thicker and larger in your right hemisphere. The third point, the left hemisphere is basically related to speech related functions, whereas your right hemisphere is related to recognize forms, texture and of an object, and also involved in the recognition of faces. Okay, now the fourth difference, on this basis it is also known as left hemisphere is also responsible for your sequential analysis. Okay, so it is also known as your analytical brain. Left hemisphere is also known as your analytical brain because it is responsible for sequential analysis, and right hemisphere is responsible for your music and other creativity. Okay, so these are the four basic differences. Now we will see more differences between this. Okay, this side your left and right. The fifth difference is that if there is any lesion to your left hemisphere, then it can cause aphasia. Okay, it will cause aphasia. Simple. Sorry for interruption. This will cause aphasia. That is a language defect, and in any lesion in right hemisphere, it will lead to loss of your face recognition. The person will be unable to recognize faces. That means there will be prosopagnosia. Okay, or there will maybe stereognosis. Okay, these two conditions may be associated with right hemisphere lesion. Clear? So these are the basic differences between your right and left hemisphere. So thank you for watching.